I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, CEO of the world famous West Coast Customs. A couple days ago, we had a huge problem. Went to one of our drives that has a lot of our footage for upcoming episodes that we're getting ready to edit, was damaged. So step one, freak out. Step two, try to repair it ourselves. Step three, find the closest place that can fix it. We tried all steps, still no data. So we reached out to a good friend of ours, Gemini, who actually works in our studio. And I said, Gemini, we need some help. We need to find somebody that can fix this. He found a local company, Secure Data Recovery, and said, these guys are the best. He looked them up, they're close to us, and they have the best ratings. So we reached out to Chris over there, he's a specialist, and told him the situation. He analyzed the data, looked at the drive and said, give him 48 hours and he's gonna hopefully have a full recovery. And here we are, 48 hours later, full recovery, all of our videos are back, and now Carlos's work is cut out for him. Stay tuned.